Today we are going to learn to turn a corner. So we're going to start, our machine's all threaded up. We're going to pop our fabric in underneath our presser foot, lower our presser foot, and we're just going to start by coming forwards. So I've just got it set to a straight stitch. I've come along for a little bit while and now I want to stop. So my machine has automatically stopped with the needle in the down position. I actually have this little needle up, needle down position button so I can show up and down. So this is quite common on a lot of computerized machines. You'll see it there. If you don't have this one, you can always use the big circle hand crank on the side of your machine, which is always found on the right hand side, and you can manually lift it up and down. What we want though is the needle to be in the down position. Lift your presser foot, spin, lower the presser foot, and continue to stitch. So I'm going to do that again so you can see that again. So lift, spin, lower, sew. One more time, leave the needle in the down position, spin, lower your presser foot, and back again. Lowering your presser foot is very important. You want to be able to do this smoothly and cleanly without creating knots in your bobbin, so you've got to make sure that you've put your presser foot down. So I'm just going to pull it out so you can see there. So you can see we've got some really lovely pointed corners. So corners are fantastic in garment sewing. We use them for pockets, we use them for collars, and for pivoting in different positions. To get this very nice point, the trick is the leaving of the needle down. If you don't leave your needle in the down position when you go to move, this corner isn't as crisp. So always leave your needle down and you'll end up with a perfect corner.